Students, we are see the chapter of alcohol, phenol and ethers. Now today we start the topic of ethers, chemical properties of ethers. We start the electrophilic substitution reactions on aromatic ether. Electrophilic substitution reactions. In this electrophilic substitution reaction, anisole or alkoxide group to activate the aromatic ring OCH3 attached to aromatic ring and this electrophilic substitution on ethers alkoxide group to delocalize the one lone pair of electrons in throughout the benzene ring and to activate the benzene ring in second, third and fourth position of alkoxide groups, and hence the second position, third position and fourth positions of aromatic structures are activated, and it is useful for two electrophilic substitution reactions. And how to get the pictures we can see here. This is first structure, and is the second here. This second double bond shifted to nearest carbon and to delocalize the electrons to this carbon, and this carbon is ultimately electron rich species. To create a negative charge, and previous negative charge or pair of electrons to shifted the double bond on benzene ring, and again this negative charge shifted to this single bond to create double bond, and this double bond electrons going to another carbon atom. Double bond here. Now next structure is this negative group electrons and again to its original structure of alkoxide group. Now the structure is first, structure second, structure third, structure fourth, and structure fifth. Now here in this structure second create a negative charge of one carbon atom, means this is the ortho positions, and again this negative charge shifted to next third structure. Here is the para position, and structure fourth, this negative charge also can get shifted to ortho position, and these three structures which can show the negative charge create on the ortho position and para position, means these carbon atoms are electron rich species. To activate the aromatic ring, alkoxide ring, and it is easy to get a reaction takes place on these three compounds. Actually, this delocalization of electron takes place on the basis of plus R effect. Plus R effect of alkoxide group OCH3 group to activate the positions of ortho and para on given anisole compound, and it is useful to get the next electrophilic substitution reaction. Now first we see the halogenation reaction. Halogenation. Anisole undergo halogenation in presence of bromine and acetic acid to gives the two structures. One is the para positions and another is the ortho positions. In bromination reaction, anisole undergoes the bromination reactions in presence of acetic acid, absence of catalyst, to gives the two product. One is orthobromoanisole or second is parabromoanisole. We gives here write the reactions. In presence of acetic acid, absence of catalyst to gives two products para-bromo methoxytoluene sorry to gives para-bromo anisole and orthobromo anisole. Anisole reacts with bromine in presence of acetic acid to give two products first is para-bromo anisole 90% octane major product and second product is orthobromo anisole minor 10%. In this way, electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation reactions, bromine is reacts with the anisole to give the two products. One is para-bromo anisole is 90% and orthobromo anisole is a 10%. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Anisole reacts with alkyl halides. Alkyl halides in presence of acyl chloride. Presence of acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 which is Lewis acid catalyst. Lewis acid catalyst. methoxy compound or anisole reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 Lewis acid catalyst. To give the two products. In this compound, the activated positions are also known. The second position and the second, third, and fourth compounds are activated compounds, and the positions is ortho and para positions are activated, and hence the electrophilic substitutions attach on these positions, and hence the electrophile of CH3 group, and this CH3 group is attached on favored position, para position, and another compound is these two compounds can be obtained position first, second, third, and fourth. 4-methoxytoluene and 2-methoxytoluene. 4-methoxytoluene is major product and 2-methoxytoluene is minor product. Friedel-Crafts reaction, anisole reacts with alkyl halide in presence of methyl chloride with a anhydrous Lewis acid catalyst or acyl chloride also. Now it is first reaction, anisole reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which is known as Lewis acid catalyst, and to give the two products 4-methoxytoluene and 2-methoxytoluene. And second reaction, anisole reacts with acyl chloride. Anisole reacts with acyl chloride anisole in presence of acyl chloride anhydrous AlCl3 produce product 4-methoxy acetophenone and 2-methoxy acetophenone. Four methoxy acetophenone is a major product and 2-methoxy acetophenone is a minor product. Now we see the electrophilic substitution reactions. In electrophilic substitution reactions, in ethers, anisole is containing the two lone pairs. One lone pair is delocalized on aromatic ring, and to activate the ortho and para positions, and hence it is suitable for electrophilic substitution reactions, means plus R effect is plus R effect on methoxy group to activate the ring, and it's easy to electrophilic substitution on the positions of ortho and para, and hence the reactions of halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reactions is easy to takes place. Now third is nitration reaction. Nitration. Anisole reacts with nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give the product of para-nitromethoxy compound or ortho-nitromethoxy compound, means for para-nitroanisole and ortho-nitroanisole. Concentrated sulfuric acid, para-nitroanisole, para-nitroanisole. In this way, the electrophilic substitution reactions on anisole compounds, we can give the reactions halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction and nitration reaction. in next lecture we can see the uses of alcohol, phenol and ethers. Thank you.